A Chinese diplomat in Juba has appealed to the peace parties to immediately graduate and deploy the unified forces in order to restore peace and security. The embassy deputy head of mission in the country, Ma Wenjin, said peace and stability should be the unity government's top priorities, improve the well-being of the South Sudanese people. Wenjin says his country hopes the unified forces will be graduated and deployed as soon as possible to provide security and safety for the whole country. Peace and stability are the priorities for development and for the well-being of all South Sudanese. Why are you fighting each other? You should presume and seek for the peace, said Wenjin. Wenjin's statement came a day after the National Transitional Committee has scheduled the graduation of the unified forces to take place by the end of this month. That's why we wish that the unified forces will be graduated and deployed as far as possible so that the army will provide security and safety for the whole South Sudan to bring paramount peace in the country so that no fight, no conflict again. The Chinese diplomat has also extended his condolences to families of the armed opposition officers who were killed by firing squad on Sude. Ambassador Wenjin also highlighted the tension between China and the United States over the status of Taiwan.